on the equity markets. The Nifty opened flat today and traded in a narrow range throughout the day, ending the day with a 16-point gain on the Nifty. Today the mid caps and the small caps outperformed the benchmark indices, and they were up close to 1.2% and 1.4% respectively. The advance market value was positive with 1027 advances to 510 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, M&M, Reliance, ICICI, TCS were some of the stocks which closed with marginal losses today. However, Kotak, Tisco, Infosys, NTPC, Ultratech Cement were some of the stocks were, even though the Nifty was sideways, these stocks ended the day with good gains. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has once again closed above the 20-day simple moving average, and it is currently trading around the 61.8% retracement level of the entire fall which we have seen from the highs of 7808 up to the low of 7422. So around these levels we expect some resistance, and in the coming trading sessions we might just get a retracement of the rise which we have seen from the lows of 7420. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that the hourly momentum indicator has given a negative crossover, which indicates that we might see some consolidation on the downside. On the downside, the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which are placed at around 7572, 7577 levels as per today's closing, can act as crucial supports. Given the fact that today's hourly momentum indicator has given a negative crossover, that is the reason why we are expecting some consolidation or some retracement of the current rise which we have seen since last 3 trading sessions. Overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. On the upside, any fall which we get in the coming trading sessions, or if we don't get a fall in the coming trading sessions, every dip will be a buying opportunity if we get fall. Otherwise, the current momentum can continue on the upside. If in coming trading sessions we trade above today's high for some time, then that resistance should be taken off and we should head higher in the coming trading sessions. If we get a dip, that should be a buying opportunity around 75-70 odd levels, where the crucial supports of 20 and 40 hourly moving averages are placed. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was comparatively quieter in terms of indices action today. Some of the banking stocks like ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, Axis Bank closed in a negative today. On the other side, State Bank of India closed with gains today. So there was a mixed action in the banking stocks. However, the trend in Bank Nifty remains positive, and we expect levels of 15,371 and 15,430 on the upside. Crucial supports are placed at 15,156 and 14,900. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. In the coming trading sessions, if we get some dip until to 75-70 odd levels, then that should be a good buying opportunity. That's all for the day.